Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ant Palace 3000. It is very modern and very cool. Wow, the ant is on a slide. Hey ants, run faster. Go, 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 do a flip. No, Buck, don't tap. You are ruining the vibe. My ants are VIPs.
The technology is amazing, Richie. The lights are so bright and colorful. You are a great designer.
It's so pretty. They are the luckiest ants in the world. I wonder if they would love to see the real sun and flowers in the garden with us too.
Good point, Lily. Maybe I will build a garden view for the palace next. You guys go explore the garden first. I need to work on the new plan for my VIPs. Buck, give me a hand with the lights.
Sure, I am the best assistant.
Okay, Richie, have fun.
Look, Anna, Ollie! The ant is so fast. Where is he going? Maybe he is going to a party. Oh no, he's gone. I want to see his home. Anna, can you help? I have a new invention. It is the microtunnel. But I am a bit scared. The underground is very dark.
Don't worry, Anna. I am here. I will protect you both. I am very brave.
Yes, Anna! We are a team. Let's go together. Okay.
Listen, everyone. When you walk through the tunnel, you get small. Very small, like an ant.
And what if I want to be big again? I like being tall.
It is easy. Just walk back through the tunnel. Then, you will be big again. I understand, Anna. Don't be scared. We are a team. Let's go, everyone! Follow the ant! Wow, everything is so big!
Look! The grass is like a forest.
It's okay. I'm here.
I am scared. It is too big.
What is it?
Is there a monster?
I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, Anna. You are brave.
Whoa! Oh no, I am messy.
Is there a spider? No spider. It is an old web. See? We are safe.
I'm scared. I don't want to go. Listen, we are a team. Anna, you are smart.
Ollie, you are funny. And I am brave. We can do it!
Yes, we can do it!
Okay, we can do it. Did you hear that? Someone needs help. Let's go.
Help! Help me, please!
Look! An ant is in trouble.
Oh no, this branch is very heavy.
Don't cry. We can help you. Wait, use this stone. It is a lever. Good idea, Anna. You are smart.
1, 2, 3, push!
Thank you! You are so kind!
You are welcome. What is your name?
My name is Adam.
Nice to meet you, Adam. I am Lily. This is Anna and this is Ollie.
Nice to meet you all. You are a great team. Friends, do you want to see my home?
Where is your home?
It is the Ant City. It is far. Hop on my back.
Wow, an ant taxi. Is it safe, Adam?
Yes, it is safe. Hold on tight.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, go Ant, go!
Whee, this is fun. Look, a puddle. Splash time. Cool water.
Look, the Red Mountain. This is the gate.
It is so big. It is like a tower. Look at the guards. They are strong.
Are they angry?
No, Ollie. They are busy. They protect the city.
Stop. Who are you?
I am Adam. These are my friends. They are kind. Welcome. Open the gate.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, look at all the busy ants. They're working so hard. This is so cool. Wow, is that a giant cookie? Yes, Ollie, the ants are working together. They are very strong. I want a piece of cookie. No, Ollie, that is food for the family. Shh, it is very quiet here.
Look, are these tiny stones?
No, Ollie, they are eggs. And look over there, those are larvae.
Larvae? Are they baby ants?
Yes, they are our babies. We must care for them.
Look, the ant is feeding the baby. It is so sweet. Ants are very good nurses. They keep the babies clean and warm.
They are like a big family.
Ants care for each other. They are kind.
Welcome, friends. This is our queen.
Wow, it is so beautiful in here.
Hello, Queen. I am Ollie.
Look, the mushrooms give light.
Welcome, little humans. You are brave. Adam, we have a problem. The bad beetle is coming.
Don't worry, Queen. We can help.
Yes, we are ready.
Give me the cookie! Now!
No, it is for the children.
Go away now! There is nothing for you here! Give me the cookie and the food, or I will destroy your nest! Do you surrender? Give me the food now!
No! Stop! We are here now! We are a team then! We are not scared! Here are the rots! Yeah, we did it! We won! We won!
The ice is very thick. It is very cold. I am not sure. Did we really win? Wait, something is wrong. Look at its eyes.
Oh no, the beetle is too strong.
Don't worry, I have another weapon. Wait, where is it? My silver bag, it is gone! Our guns are broken. We are in trouble.
Go away, little humans. This is ant business. Do not help the ants!
Stop! I am here!
Thank Buck, you are here! Buck, be careful, the beetle is very strong.
I saw the tunnel. I am here to help, but Richie is lost. Run! I will fight the beetle. I will buy you time!
Where am I? Am I lost again? Which way should I go now?
Where is my bag? I cannot find it. Don't worry, Anna. Let's look together.
Hello, everyone. Anna, is this your bag?
Yes, Richie, that is my silver bag.
Thank you, Richie. You are a hero.
Yay! We have the bag now. Now we can win. Great job, Richie.
The beetle is gone. We are safe now.
Good.
Buck, are you okay? Are you hurt?
A little, but I'm okay.
Thank you, Buck. You are very brave. And thank you, Richie. You found my silver bag.
You're welcome, Anna.
Look, we are a great team. We help each other.
Yes! We are smart, brave, and lucky!
Friends, thank you. You saved our home.
We are happy to help, Adam.
We are a great team. The Queen has a gift for you.
Wow, it is a gemstone. It is so beautiful. Look, it is us. We are on the stone.
We are friends forever. Yes, this is the Stone of Friendship.
Goodbye, Adam. I will miss you.
Goodbye, Lily.